Okay guys, got a 50-inch Cub Cadet Lawn Tractor, XT1 Enduro, 24 horsepower. Didn't want to start. Actually, it was hard starting for about the last month. Acted like it needed a charge. Put a new battery in it that didn't handle it. I got an old scrap battery in it right now. I took the other one back, but this was the problem. Little solenoid mounts behind the battery over in this area. Look down here, there's a bolt right there. This little devil mounts right inside the back wall there, just like that. 24 bucks, Amazon. Again, there's a picture of it. Made in China, imagine that. Okay, Johnny one time out.